if you run a Windows runtime, you might run into a problem similar to this with the system command shape. So the way I have this configured right now is I have it set up to run a tree command of my runtime installation, and then output that to a text file in my runtime installation path. And you can see there's nothing here currently. But if I run this the way it is now, what will happen is it will run as expected, and there won't be any error messages, but that file won't be created. And you can see here that the process ran successfully, but it didn't output the file. You can see here that there's no file here. The reason this happens is that sometimes on Windows, the system command shape will try and run the command the wrong location, or doesn't know where to find the command line. So to fix this, all you have to do is add cmd/c, which basically specifies run the following in command line. So if I add that, hit OK, and we run this command again, we should see that the file gets created. And see, it runs as expected there. And if I update this, you can see now the output file got created successfully, and it is a tree output like we were expecting. That's it.